Guys, what I brought with me was my 4.5-inch skillet. This is inches now. So, but I never realised that this comes off. I never tried it before. I've had this for about 3 years. I got it in a second-hand shop. Good big piece of kit. It's nice and quiet down here, honestly. Comes off there. Good bit of skillet. Definitely. I've got the oil there, put the oil in it, and we'll get the little cooker going. Get the cooker going, put it across there after I've made the actual bannock and everything like that, and see if we can get a wee bit of bannock rather than using gas and everything. Think about the olden times when they may have just had something like this skillet or a bannock, a plate or some sort, and they used that, but they used what they had. They never had very much equipment and everything. So yeah, so I'm making it very simple here, guys. A bit of bannock bread. Hopefully it works the way I want it, because I'm doing it with a little fire. I've got a little cooker there, as you can see, over that grill. I actually done some work on the actual the wood, slotted it, had my backhoe saw and used the Mora knife doing that. So I've got some flour there. I've got loads out more, but I want to try this. Get a little yeast in there. I've actually got salt also, and in a little pot here. Actually, slightly going to do a different style of video. I'm going to mix that in there now. Let's get the salt in there. Some. You can hear that chipping in the birds. Beautiful. Some oil. Might as well jam there. I've actually got some water, which I need some water anyway. A wee bit of water in there. Sometimes when I make bannock, I actually put too much water in. Not this time. For once, I have actually mixed it pretty well. Taking a little bit more time with it. I'm going to get this. Let me get this wee fire up and running. So I've got a wee bit of oil there. Not too much. Yes, I could have used butter or margarine, but that's oil there. So it doesn't stick. Nice. This is the way ahead, guys. Get all twigs in there. Bannock bread goes back to roughly the 700s, and they were talking about, or reading about it, about the 1400s. Then it became more apparent, roughly about the 1800s, where England, Ireland, Scotland used bannock bread. So I made a good bit of bannock bread here, but I'm as well trying it out. Honestly, guys, I've got a wee bit of jam there for it. Clearly I never had anything like that back in these days. I'm not going to eat all this, of course. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for the animals. Telling you, it's absolute bread. So I took my time with it. Could I learn from that? Of course. For the next time, take your time. There's always lessons learned. Not wet, it's slightly, a little bit, but nothing like it has been before. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. And as normal, just go out and enjoy it. I've enjoyed doing this little hobo bannock. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I'll leave some of that for the animals. Spread it about. Why not? But I enjoyed this and it's been good. So, till the next time, guys, take care. Bye.